Assalamualaikum. Welcome to GK with SK. First MCQs. Which is the narrow strip of land connecting North and South America? Isthmus of Suez, Isthmus of Panama, Bering Isthmus, Kra Isthmus. So correct option B, Isthmus of Panama. The Isthmus of Panama connects North and South America and separates the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. Next MCQs. Which of the following is an example of bay? Bay of Bengal, Gulf of Mexico, Arabian Sea, Red Sea. So correct option A, Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is a large bay formed by the northeastern part of Indian Ocean. Next MCQs. Which is the world largest creek by surface area? Dubai Creek, Back Bay Creek, Narrabeen Creek, none of these.
None of these is correct.
Dubai Creek is a significant waterway in the UAE, but creeks are generally small. None of these is the largest globally. Next MCQs. The Isthmus of Suez connects which two continents? Asia and Europe, Europe and Africa, Asia and Africa, Africa and Australia. So correct option C, Asia and Africa. The Isthmus of Suez connects Africa and Asia and is the site of Suez Canal. Next MCQs. What is the characteristic feature of a creek? Large oceanic trench, narrow inlet or stream, mountain range, volcanic plateau. So correct option B, narrow inlet or stream. A creek is typically a narrow stream, often a small tributary to a river. Next MCQs. Which bay is bordered by India, Bangladesh and Myanmar? Hudson Bay, Bay of Bengal, San Francisco Bay, Bay of Biscay. So correct option B, Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is bordered by eastern India, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Next MCQs. The Kara Isthmus is located in which country? India, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia. So correct option B, Thailand. The Kara Isthmus is the northwest part of the Malay Peninsula in Thailand. Next MCQs. Which of the following is not an isthmus? Isthmus of Panama, Isthmus of Suez, Bay of Bengal, Kara Isthmus. So correct option C, Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is a bay, not an isthmus. Next MCQs. What is the significance of isthmuses in trade? They are always mountainous. They hinder navigations. They connect water bodies. They often have canals. So correct option D. They often have canals. Isthmus often host canal like the Panama Canal, crucial for global trade. Next MCQs. Which bay lies in Canada and is named after an explorer? Hudson Bay, Bay of Biscay, Bay of Bengal, James Bay. Correct option A, Hudson Bay. Hudson Bay in Canada is named after Henry Hudson. Next MCQs. Which creek is historically significant for Dubai's development? Back Bay Creek, Dubai Creek, Narrabeen Creek, Pearl Creek. So correct option B, Dubai Creek. Dubai Creek played a vital role in Dubai's early trade and commerce. Next MCQs. The term bay refer to a desert area, a large recessed coastal body of water, a mountain chain, a flat plain. So correct option B, a large recessed coastal body of water. A bay is a large body of water partially enclosed by land, providing safe harbors. Next MCQs. Which of the following separates Asia from Africa? Kara Isthmus, Bering Strait, Suez Isthmus, Panama Isthmus. So correct option C, Suez Isthmus. The Suez Isthmus with the Suez Canal separate Asia from Africa. Next MCQs. Creeks are generally large inland seas, small rivers or streams, deep ocean trenches, desert valleys. Correct option B, small rivers or streams. Creeks are small streams or narrow water channels. Next MCQs. Which is an artificial waterway built through an isthmus? Amazon River, Panama Canal, Mississippi River, Volga River. So correct option B, Panama Canal. Panama Canal is a man-made waterway through the Isthmus of Panama.